Good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet and watching my channel Maneet. Well, we are right now at Narayan Ashram. That's the place. I guess you already saw the drone shot. Narayan Ashram altitude 734 meters, 8969 feet. This is where Prime Minister Narayan Modi is coming next week. I think they're getting it ready for his visit. This is run by Gujaratis. Beautiful view of the mountains around. It's right on top of a plateau kind of mountain. So we're going to start off right now to our next destination, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. All the boys are ready, getting geared up to start. That's the lineup. So we're off from this beautiful location, Narayan Ashram, where Prime Minister Narayan Modi is visiting next week. A lot of preparations going on, and the dogs here have a lot of hair. If you noticed, that's the view from Narayan Ashram. So we're descending from here, and then we'll go further and again ascend to a different mountain range. So stay tuned as we are raiding the Himalayas. The time right now, it's 8:40 a.m. and today is the 2nd of October. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you guys. So also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. There's some issue with my side stand still. It's getting off. So always stay positive and stay happy. Life is short. That's my two-liner for today. Keep smiling, spread the happiness with people around. You never know when your time comes. Don't hold grudges. That's a beautiful stream coming up from up the mountains. A mountain dog. What a sight here in the Himalayas. Everything is beautiful. Travel local, explore local, see local. So much to see around India. Rather than seeing foreign countries encourage local people, they also need the money to survive, as hardly any tourists come to these kind of places, very remote. The infrastructure can improve, people start coming itself.
من ندانستم از اول که تو بی مهر و وفایی عهد نابستن از آن به که ببندی یا نپایی دوستان عیبم کنن که چرا دل به تو دادم باید اول به تو گفتن که چنین خوب چرایی من ندانستم از اول که تو بی مهر و وفایی من ندانستم از اول که تو بی مهر و وفایی عهد نابستن از آن به که ببندی و نپایی دوستان عیبم کنن که چرا دل به تو دادم دوستان عیبم کنن که چرا دل به تو دادم باید اول به تو گفتن که چنین خوب چرایی
That's the dam. What the drone shot you saw yesterday. Beautiful dam. Catchment area. They're catching all the rainwater and the melted snow streams coming down. Whoa, big dip. So this is the dam. We are now at the dam. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And there's a tunnel ahead. So there's a bit of landslide. I mean, they're clearing it, so the road is blocked, and we have a nice view of the road block with the white water. I think they're clearing it. Let's see. Last bit. So apparently the other side of the river is Nepal, and I flew the drone and got warned by the Intelligence Bureau IB guys and the ITBP police that it's not a drone flying area, it's a no fly zone. So I just packed up my drone and kept it and quietly walked off. So we had lunch here on the way, and we are heading to our destination where we're going to stay today. This is all border area. That is Nepal, this is India, and like see how it's kind of separated our countries. by just a river. They all look the same, whether it's India or Nepal. The mountains are the same. It's just people have made boundaries. This is mine, this is yours. This is Kuti, the first village in India if you're coming from Nepal, and it's the last Indian village when you're heading that side. So it's just before Om Parvat, and we're staying here for the night in a beautiful 300-year-old house of Lakshman. So if you're coming to Kuti, this is a good place to stay. I'll try to put the link below in my description box. Hope you like the entire vlog of today's coming to Kuti, and tomorrow is big day, so stay tuned as we raid Om Parvat tomorrow. I'm not sure we're going to take our bikes. Anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos.